they haven't had any Metiers pieces on the shelves yet in comparison to Rue Cambon. And so she brought me to the separate room. It's like at Hermes. She brought me to the separate room and she's shown me this bag, and I could try it on. I could look at it in private basically, which was amazing. They were so lovely at Chanel Galeries Lafayette. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today, I still can't believe what happened. So I went to Paris yesterday, only for one day and one day alone. I'm too old guys, I'm too old for this. It was a one-day trip. I got up at like 3:30 in the morning and I don't know, I came home and I felt so knackered. I was like, oh my god, okay, this is the first time I'm really feeling my age. So the very amazing Metiers Chanel Paris Metiers collection vlog is coming out tomorrow, actually. Yeah, so very exciting. And I thought today I need to share with you first what I bought. And I think one or two of you actually wrote me messages on Instagram and you were like, oh Mina, look at this bag, this is so you, don't you want to get it? And I was like, I already, you know, try to play with my connections and get this bag. And I did. And guys, I want to just quickly say a big thank you to Laura from the CC Spy. Go and check out her Instagram. She is such an amazing Chanel collector. She has the rarest pieces, and you know, thanks to her I got this bag basically the moment it came out. Yeah, so let me give you a little bit of a story time and then we look into this. I don't know, I thought it's a bigger box to be honest, but I'm glad she didn't give me a bigger one because I was carrying this around Paris all day, and like the bag really like cut into my hands. It's so sore and it is so red, and like yesterday evening when I came home I was like, oh my god, I actually did pay with blood and sweat to basically get this bag. So you know, it means even more. I got this bag from Paris. It's a new classic. Now you know what it is. And yeah, it's you know, it's a nice memory, of course. I've never been in Paris, so tomorrow's vlog is my first time ever in Paris. Okay, so guys, I would say let's unbox this. After all this drama that went down, I cannot tell you how glad I am that I kind of got like a VIP treatment in Paris when I went to Chanel. All because of Laura, of course. So again, like a huge thank you to you, Laura, because without you this would have not happened. Okay, so I saw this on a tiny, I saw a tiny picture, like tiny pixelated picture of this bag, but I only saw the color. I was like, I need to make sure to get my hands on this one. So here's the beautiful camellia flower. Let me take that off. And when I arrived, it was the first day the Metiers collection launched in France. So obviously it launches there first, and then from there on, like all the other boutiques around the world get the new collections, right? So I went to Rue Cambon first because I just, you know, I was like, okay, I'm in Paris, like I want to see Rue Cambon. That's where it all started with Chanel. The queue there, I'm pretty sure people waited 5 hours to get into the boutique, and I'm also pretty sure, because I was there at 11 in the morning, that people were queuing up from like 6 in the morning or so to get in, because the queue was like, the queues in London are nothing in comparison. And I was like, okay, this is not gonna happen, I'm not gonna get in today. So I went to Galeries Lafayette where Laura made an appointment for me, and where they reserved this bag for me, and they haven't had any Metiers pieces on the shelves yet in comparison to Rue Cambon. And so she brought me to the separate room. It's like at Hermes. She brought me to the separate room and she's shown me this bag, and I could try it on. I could look at it in private basically, which was amazing. They were so lovely at Chanel Galeries Lafayette. And it, you know, I got the full VIP. I didn't have to queue. So even in Galeries Lafayette, there was like such a long queue. People probably waited, I would say, an hour and a half to get in. And because of you know, the appointment that Laura made for me, I just got in immediately. They showed me the bag, like I said, in a private room. And yeah, I left. So it was the perfect day. Okay guys, let me come closer. Okay, it is. I'm so happy that I didn't buy the pink or purple Chanel 22. Yes, it's a Chanel 22 from the last collection, because this one, once you see it, There we can already see a little bit. And the color of this. I mean, you guys know, right? I mean, when you see this color, you immediately think of me, right? So I was like, and it's metallized. It is a metallized purple. Well, I would say metallic purple, but Chanel itself calls it a metallized purple. And yeah, this is the most beautiful color I think I have ever seen. Yes, okay. So this is the medium size. And, okay, wait a second. There we have everything else. Like a dust bag, the little booklet that you always get. And, okay, let me put this away. Okay, so, and voila. How do you know this is the medium size? So many people always ask me. So you see those two diamond quilts, right? The big ones. And then the one on top. This one gets cut off above the middle of the diamond quilt. So this is the medium size. The small size gets cut off below the middle of this quilt. So it basically gets cut off here. So it's honestly only a tiny difference when it comes to, you know, height of the bag. The small and the medium pretty much holds the same as well. Okay, let's see. Let's have a look. Oh, I mean, look at this color. And the CC is straight. This is the little pouch that you get with your Chanel 22 bag. I show you everything in a second. Let me just take this out and quick look inside. So it is a fabric interior. I would say it's a mixture of burgundy and purple. And then you have, of course, the beautiful leather and the smell of a new Chanel bag. So let me get this bag ready so that you can see how it looks like. Obviously when it's stuffed, that's not how it's going to look like. Okay, let's put this little pouch back in here for a second. And look at this beautiful golden hardware. Wait, hello. Oh, my camera focuses. It's not lazy today, that's amazing. So here we have, yeah, the beautiful little Chanel logo sign, and it's an antique matte brush gold hardware. Again, like what's better out there than like a metallized metallic purple and brushed gold hardware. Okay, so because this bag is new, obviously it doesn't hang as it's supposed to hang yet. You need to, I don't even know how to do it properly. Let me try for a second. So obviously when you fill it up, it's gonna, always look a little bit different. Let me get a little bit back, maybe then it's easier to see it. So yeah, like I said, this is so new. Like I can really feel that the chains, they just want to come out again. So I really need to put some effort into, getting this here together. And I think it will just in time, it will get more flexible. There we go, there we go. Okay, this is already looking more like it's supposed to look. So yeah, and of course imagine once it's stuffed and full. So yeah, okay, I know it's a bin bag. I know I have been brainwashed for sure. So when I first, you guys know, when I first saw the Chanel 22, I was, okay, this is a bin bag, I don't get it, looks like a GD bag, like a, those bags you take to the gym. And yeah, I didn't get it. And then the more I looked at it, I really fell in love with it. And like when you see how people style it on Instagram, it's just amazing, okay? It's such a perfect casual everyday bag. And yeah, I mean, I couldn't be happier. And like that I didn't buy one of the first bags that came out. And I mean, obviously now I will tell you how the wear and tear of this bag is in a couple months. Tell me, what do you think? Do you see the beauty of this too? It is, I mean, I'm probably actually gonna get a bag organizer from Samorga, to be honest, because I still, even though it's an unstructured bag, obviously, I still wanted to have some sort of structure, if you ask me. Okay, so let's get a close-up of this. Here we have the beautiful brushed gold Chanel hardware. And that's it. Let's look at the pouch again. And then let's take the stickers off everything as well, obviously. So you can detach, you can actually detach the pouch and I guess just use it as a little clutch if you wanted to. Okay, let's put this little beauty here somewhere. The little pouch, it is stunning as well. I don't know if the camera will capture this color. When Laura's SA sent me pictures of this bag, like like even a little video, it doesn't look as good as when you see this color in real life. So I think you really have to go into the boutiques and look at it. It's Metiers, guys, so you know there are limited pieces only and they sell out like nothing. I mean, I don't even know if there was anything left in Rue Cambon after that day, the first day they released the collection, because of the long queues and people were buying like crazy. So, you know, Metiers pieces are always so quickly gone and they're sold out. So here you can see it's got the diamond quilt inside as well. And that's it. There's nothing else. There's no tag. There is no, nothing, to be honest. But yeah, it's a good little pouch. You can use it as a pouch or as a clutch. Why not, right? I mean, I'll show you in a second how it looks like on. By the way, this is the first bag. Yep, this is the first bag that I own from Chanel. That doesn't come with an authenticity card anymore, and that doesn't come with, well, the little serial sticker, right? It has this metal plug there. That has a number engraved in it. Yeah, it does. And yeah, guys, that's it. So here you have only one big hole. My mom would not like this bag. She needs her compartments. And then you have one zipper compartment at the back of the bag there. Exactly, and that's it. That is it. Is there anything in there? It feels like it. No, it's just the corner. It's just the corner of the fabric. Okay, yeah, so guys, that is my Chanel 22 bag. And how gorgeous, how amazing is she? Yeah, okay guys, so here it is. And yeah, the only way you can wear this, of course, is over your shoulder. And I don't know, I love it to wear this with like my green dress, because I feel it's very the Joker-like, right? Because like green and purple. I love it. Like I said, I will get an organizer so that it doesn't like get too smushy. You know what I mean, you can see it. Yes, it is a bin bag. I know, for everybody in the comment section that will tell me that. I'm very aware of it, but yes, they somehow brainwashed me. I saw people on Instagram like wearing it like this as well, you know, with the little logo tag here and the chain just hanging down. And like I said, it's gonna get more relaxed. You can already see it with the bags that people bought from the last collection. It will get a lot more relaxed. I think, I hope. And yeah guys, that's it. And of course you have that little pouch that you can just, you know, wear like that. It's a nice add-on. I mean, that's why this bag is so expensive, for the fact that it just got released and, you know, it should be cheap. But the next big price increase is coming up, guys, plus all the new rules and restrictions when it comes to classics. So I was like, okay, I need this one now. This is my color, you know. It was supposed, all the drama that happened was supposed to happen so that I don't buy that other Chanel 22 bag. Because now I got the perfect one that is so me. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very, very soon, guys. Bye!